everybody, welcome back for a cook along. This is not actually a cook along, this is more like a drink along and a make a sandwich along. Okay, trying to get through this rough patch we're going through right now with the coronavirus pandemic, and all of my friends are rallying around me because I've been laid off along with a lot of my other friends, and I'm sure a lot of you guys too have been laid off because of it. So this is my 6th day of my 30-day mandatory vacation. So right now, the drink along part of this is going to be Crown, which my friend also helped me out with. So I got a half a gallon of Crown donated, a can of tuna fish, which is what we're making today, a bottle of Merlot, which I'll have later in the month, eggs, fresh eggs from my friend's farm that she brought over. So let's get a drink, you guys. Make it a strong one, because we deserve it. Let me grab some Coca-Cola, hang on. Oh, my friend also bought me these two Coca-Colas at ABC liquor store. I'm glad the liquor stores are still open, right? What will we do without liquor? Anyway, he got me stocked up on it just in case they do close for some unknown reason. All right, you guys, stir this up. Crown and Coke. Cheers, everybody. I pray for all of us to get through this together and stay strong, and we will. This is to us getting through this together. Cheers. All right, we'll get started on this tuna fish salad for our sandwich. I don't have relish. Some people put relish in their tuna fish salad, but I do have some dill weed we're going to put in here. This is excellent with tuna fish sandwiches if you've never tried it. I've already drained the tuna. This is a 5-ounce can, which is 1 serving. But after I put everything else that goes with it, this ends up making 3 sandwiches for me. So it's inexpensive to make, and it's healthy, except for the mayonnaise, I suppose. And yeah, and it makes a lot, depending on how much you eat. Okay, right here, you guys, we have 2 tablespoons of chopped celery and 2 tablespoons of chopped onion. And I'm going to go ahead and let's go ahead and put these in first. Add that to the tuna fish. Okay. And while we're at it, before we get this egg peeled, we'll go ahead and put the remaining ingredients. This is just regular mustard. I'm going to put about a teaspoon. About a teaspoon. And put our pepper in. However much pepper you want. You know how much you like. That's probably just 1/8 of a teaspoon. And then our dill, I'll show you in my hand how much I put. It looks like a lot, but it's perfect. All right, let's go ahead and add the mayonnaise. With the mayonnaise, they were almost out of mayonnaise at the store the other day, so I went ahead and got a big, that's about 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Okay, well, it is now. I like my tuna fish not too dry, my tuna fish salad not too dry and not too creamy, so about 3 tablespoons is right. It's about right for me. Now, this egg's already been boiled. I'm going to show you a trick that somebody showed me how to easily boil an egg. So you tap it, just barely tap it, so you hear it like crack a little, and then roll it, lightly roll it, don't smush it. And then you should be able to take the shell right off, just like that. Okay, we'll go ahead and cut this up and add it. Be careful when you do this. I would probably suggest you put this on a plate or a cutting board and not your hand, but I'm being very gentle, and a boiled egg just cuts like butter. All right, so let's stir this up. I've already had my breakfast and my lunch for the day. Trying to conserve once again. I had, what did I have for breakfast? Oh, I had a half of a peanut butter sandwich. You guys, this is gonna need a little bit more mayonnaise. So I would say 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. But you know, you can't take away, so just add it as you go to make sure you get it the consistency that you want. Oh, so anyway, back to my breakfast. I had a half of a peanut butter sandwich. And then for lunch, I had 3 chicken wings from the wing bar at Winn-Dixie. I normally get 4 or 5, but since I'm on a budget right now, you know what? This is gonna need a little bit more mayonnaise, you guys. Like I said, just keep adding a little until you get it to where you want it. But anyway, so I'm trying to save money any way I can. So instead of 4 or 5 wings, I got 3 today. But I also want to lose weight over these next 24 days that I'm going to be off. So I've been wanting to lose weight anyway, so this is a good opportunity to do that. All right, you guys, this is perfect for me. Let's go ahead and make a sandwich. Let's get rid of this eggshell. All right. My hands are going to be so shriveled up by the time this pandemic is over. I was lucky they had bread. They were starting to run out of bread. All right. Let me take a drink real quick before I put this sandwich together. Oh, I got it in my Titans mug. All right, let's put this sandwich together. I want to save you guys a sandwich too, okay? So don't worry. And I'm going to give you a bite of this one. Okay, see how much I put on there and how much is left? That's at least going to make 2 more sandwiches for me. Here, I guess I didn't. There you go. Maybe a little more. Now that will definitely make 2 more sandwiches. So yeah, I'll make you guys a sandwich. I'm not going to eat in front of you guys today, but I will. Well, I'll take 1 bite. I'll give you guys a bite first. I like to cut my sandwiches like diagonal. Oop. All right, you guys. Munchalicious. Take you a bite. Don't worry. I don't have any viruses on me. There's no virus. This is virus-free sandwich. Get your big bite. Get your big stupid bite. Now I'm gonna take a bite of this one. So simple, but so good. Sometimes it's the simplest things that are the best. But you guys, like I said, stay safe, and I'm keeping all of us in my prayers, okay? I love you guys, and I'll see you around soon.